Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Guys, a long time I'm not see me face, yeah, but I'm taking it day by day, alright guys? So I just come in from work now and I'm gonna make a green smoothie, alright? So as I promised, I have my super green mix here, my spirulina meringue. Now I add kale to it. What again? Oh, protein powder and all of that. Super green. All right, so we're gonna make some super green smoothie, just enough. All right, I'm gonna add some spinach as well. So we're gonna go in with some spinach. When I freeze it, guys, it's easier to manage and it can last longer. About a handful of frozen spinach. And then I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of my super mix. Alright guys, I'm gonna add half finger of banana. You can put some pineapple or mango or whatever fruit of your choice. And I'm gonna take that out. And then I'm gonna add some sea moss gel, about a tablespoon, something like that. And you can put whatever you want to it. All right guys, now I'm gonna add some almond milk. Ooh, get it. And now I'm just gonna add the almond milk. I'm gonna add about a cup, and that's about it guys. Just gonna blend. I can put some apple too, but not today. We're gonna blend it. Peeps, that's about it. That's how it's looking. Super refreshing and delicious. Okay, and I'm gonna pour it right here. Have some leftovers. All right my peeps, and this is it. This is the final result. Super green, super healthy, antioxidant, super green smoothie. All right, it's good to lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, good for your heart health, good for your gut health. It's a good weight loss, detox, super green smoothie. All right guys, so love upon me and I love upon you. And guys, if you have a juice recipe you want me to do, just leave it in the comment section. All right, yeah, have a good day. Please remember to share the video guys, a like upon it, and you know, just tell me what recipe you want me to do next, and just pray for me along the way. All right, and that's it guys. Yeah, I'm coming back surely, slowly but surely. All right guys, you have a good day now, okay? And remember to smile and always put God first, okay? Have a good day. Bye guys.